finance minister has allowed 100% foreign direct investment in India's insurance sector. Till now, this limit was till 74%. Now it's been allowed till 100%. This is largely positive for all the unlisted life, general and health insurance companies, not so much for the listed insurance companies. The second announcement which came, and this is negative for the life insurance industry, government's move to sweeten the new income tax regime. The government has said that up to 12.75 lakh, if a person takes the exemptions under the new tax regime which the government plans to introduce, in that case there won't be any tax payable by this particular individual. Now what that does is it makes the new tax regime a lot more attractive, a lot more sweeter for any individual as compared to the old tax regime. The fear amongst insurance companies is that a lot more people could move to the new tax regime from the old tax regime, and what that does is that it kills or it defeats the purpose of buying life insurance companies or buying a health insurance company, buying a life insurance policy or buying a health insurance policy for many people. Of course, people tend to buy life insurance or health insurance policy for the purpose of tax saving, but that tax saving option is only available in the old tax regime. If people start moving into the new tax regime, the purpose of buying the life insurance policy or health insurance policy somewhere gets defeated, and that will impact that portion of sales. That is the fear at this point of time. The third announcement is with respect to clarity coming in for the unit-linked products or ULIP taxation. This is marginally positive for life insurance companies. So far, the taxation which was being applied on the returns coming from ULIP policies, where the premium is more than 2.5 lakhs in a year, was as per income tax, which means the returns get accounted into your income, and accordingly the slab that you feature in, that rate of income tax would apply on that entire money that you'll have to pay. Now the government has clarified that the returns from ULIP policies will be taxed as capital gains tax and not as income from other sources, which means it will be taxed at 12.5% and not the slab where your income lies with the money which comes from the ULIP returns. So this is marginal positive for life insurance companies.